Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Wowbutter Brownie Bottom Cheesecake. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you're going to need 4 ounces of some kind of chocolate chips. So I'm just using the sugar-free Kroger brand of chocolate chips, but you could use just regular. You don't have to use the sugar-free. Then you need 1 stick of butter. It doesn't matter if it's at room temperature, we're going to melt that. 3/4 cup of sugar, so I'm using a sugar substitute. I like Monkfruit. Then you need 3 eggs and a 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. That is for the brownie bottom crust. Now for the Wowbutter cheesecake, we are going to use 24 ounces of cream cheese, and you do want that softened to room temperature. 1 cup of wow butter. 1 cup of powdered sugar. I'm using the Monkfruit again. I just put it in my NutriBullet and made it into powdered sugar. Then you need 3 eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So you would make that the same way if you're going to do keto or non-keto. Alright, now let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 350, and we are going to melt our butter and chocolate chips in the microwave in 30-second increments until they're nice and smooth. Alright, that looks nice and combined to me. So next we are going to whisk in our sugar. That looks great, so we are going to whisk in our eggs one at a time. Alright, that looks great to me. So next I am going to gently add in my cocoa. Alright, that looks nice and combined, and it did take a little while. I suggest adding your cocoa a little bit at a time. So next I just sprayed my springform pan generously on the bottom and the sides, and we are going to pour our brownie batter, which is very thick, into the bottom and spread it out as best as we can. Alright, my brownie crust is all ready to go into the oven, so we are going to bake that for 10 minutes at 350 degrees. Okay, while our brownie bottom crust is in the oven, we are going to get to work on our filling. So we are going to beat our cream cheese and powdered sugar with an electric mixer on medium speed until fluffy, so about 2 minutes. Alright, that looks great to me. So next we are going to beat in our wow butter and vanilla extract. Alright, now let's go ahead and beat our eggs in one at a time. Alright, that looks so great, and my brownie crust just came out of the oven. It is still very gooey and not done at all, but it's going to cook when our cheesecake cooks. So very gently we are going to put this on top of our crust without disturbing it too much. Alright, all of my cheesecake is added, but as you can see, my crust came up the sides and kind of got mixed in, but that's okay because it is brownie, so I think it's still going to be delicious. So let's get that into the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Alright, my cheesecake just came out of the oven, and it was still a little jiggly in the center, but that is fine. It's going to set up here. So I did take a butter knife and just went all the way down along the edges. Just to loosen it up so it'll be easy to remove. But now we are going to let it cool to room temperature here on the pan, and then we will move it to the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. Alright, my cheesecake has been in the refrigerator. Mine actually was in there all night because I made my cheesecake too late. So next we are going to go ahead and pull off the spring and see how it turned out. Alright, that surprisingly came off fairly easy. That looks so delicious. So I am going to cut a piece and have a little taste. I might even let Taste Tester have a little taste. Alright, I cut this piece for Taste Tester so you can see all the brownie goodness in there. So we'll see what he thinks. Hey Taste Tester!
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye!